Hello, and welcome to another segment of our webcast series, Manage Your Practice, Manage Your Exposure. My name is Eric Cooperstein. I have a solo law practice in Minneapolis, Minnesota, devoted to representing lawyers in legal ethics matters. That means I defend lawyers when ethics complaints have been filed against them. I also advise lawyers, I do some expert witness work, and also I represent lawyers in law firm breakup cases. Before I started my practice 6 years ago, I worked for several years at our lawyer discipline agency, investigating lawyers and prosecuting violations of the rules of professional conduct. All of the information I provide you in these webcasts comes from my experience in working with lawyers and advising them on their practices. This segment is Key Concepts for Client Communications. For this program, what we're going to talk about is what office systems and procedures will aid and assist you in your client communications, the purposes and uses of written communications, how to set the proper tone for your contacts with clients, and common practices to keep clients informed about their cases. So we'll just start with basic oral communications. And the first thing that comes up is, how are you going to receive and track messages? Clients will be calling you. Sometimes they'll be leaving voicemail messages. Sometimes perhaps they will talk to a centralized receptionist that if you have staff, some of you may have a virtual office presence where someone else answers your phone calls. You'll need a system of tracking who called and when. I have seen lawyers who just have a receptionist or an assistant write down someone's phone number on a Post-it note. That's not a very good system because those notes can get lost. They're hard to manage. Email messages to you are a good system. Even low-tech sometimes is good. The old-fashioned spiral notebooks with message slips on them that each had a carbon is a very good way of tracking messages when you're using an assistant, because you end up